What if you could upload a giant, boring PDF and then just ask it questions like you were texting a friend who already read the whole thing? No skimming. No searching for that one line buried on page 90. That is exactly what one free tool from Google can do, and most people have never even heard of it. This video walks through what it is, the feature that feels almost unreal, and why it might change how you study and work. The way it handles facts is what sets it apart from every chatbot you have tried. So what is this tool called? Its name is NotebookLM, and it is made by Google. It is free to use, and it runs right in your web browser. At first glance, it looks like a simple note app. But the moment you feed it your own files, it turns into something far more useful, a personal expert that has read everything you gave it. How does that actually work? You start by uploading your sources. That could be a PDF, a long document, a web page, or even an audio recording. You can add many sources to a single notebook. Once they are loaded, the tool reads through all of it. Then you can ask questions in plain language, and it answers using only the material you uploaded. Ask it to explain a tricky paragraph, summarize a 40-page report, or pull out the main points, and it does it in seconds. Why does that matter so much? Think about how you usually deal with a huge document. You scroll, you lose your place, and you waste time hunting for one detail. With this tool, you just ask, where does this report mention the budget? What did Chapter 3 say about safety? It finds the answer and hands it to you fast. For a student facing a thick textbook or a worker drowning in files, that is a giant time saver. Now here is the feature that makes people stop and stare. It can turn your documents into a podcast. Yes, an actual audio show. You upload your notes or your reading, click a button, and it generates 2 AI voices that chat back and forth about your material. They explain the ideas, bounce off each other, and break things down in a friendly, easy way. It feels like listening to 2 hosts discuss a topic, except the topic is your own homework or your own work files. Why is that such a big deal? Because some people learn far better by listening than by reading. Maybe you are tired of staring at text. Maybe you want to review a subject while walking or riding the bus. With this audio feature, your dry study notes become a conversation you can listen to anywhere. It takes something flat on a page and makes it talk. But here is the question that really matters. How is this different from a normal chatbot? You may have used tools that answer anything you ask. The problem with those is that they sometimes make things up. They sound confident even when they are wrong, which can be risky if you trust the answer. This is where NotebookLM works differently, and it is the key reason to use it. So what is the difference? This tool sticks to your sources. It does not wander off and invent facts from the wider internet. It answers based on the documents you uploaded and nothing else. Even better, it shows you where each answer came from. When it tells you something, it points back to the exact spot in your file, so you can check it yourself with one click. That means you are not just trusting a black box. You can see the proof behind every answer. Why should that change your mind about AI? Because it solves the biggest worry people have. The fear with AI is that it lies to you with a straight face. By staying locked to your own material and citing its sources, this tool gives you answers you can actually verify. For research, study, or any serious work, that trust is everything. A fast answer is only useful if you can be sure it is correct. Who is this tool best for? Students get a clear win. Imagine loading a whole semester of readings into one notebook and quizzing yourself before an exam. Researchers can drop in stacks of papers and find connections fast. Anyone with a pile of manuals, reports, or contracts can finally make sense of them without reading every word. Even a busy reader can summarize a long article in moments. What about the cost and the limits? The core tool is free, which is rare for something this powerful. On the free version, you can create a large number of separate notebooks, so you can keep different projects neatly apart. One notebook for school, another for a side project, another for a book you are studying. There are some limits on how much you can pack into each one, but for most people the free tier is more than enough to get real work done. What else can this tool create besides answers and audio? Quite a lot once your sources are loaded. You can ask it to build a study guide from your material, complete with key terms and questions to test yourself before an exam. You can have it lay out a timeline of events pulled from a long document, which is perfect for history class or for understanding a complicated project at work. You can even ask it to write a short list of common questions and answers about your topic. It takes the messy pile of information you fed it and reshapes it into whatever format helps you learn best. Is it perfect? No tool is, and it is fair to know the limits going in. Because it sticks only to your sources, it will not answer questions about things you never uploaded, which is the whole point, but can still surprise new users. The quality of its answers also depends on the quality of what you give it. Feed it messy or wrong information, and the answers will reflect that. Think of it as a brilliant assistant who has read only the books you handed over. It is sharp within those pages and silent beyond them. Give it good sources, and it gives you genuinely good help. How do you start using it? You open the website, sign in with a free Google account, and create your first notebook. Then you upload a document you actually need to understand, maybe a report for work or a chapter for class. Ask it a few questions to see how it pulls answers straight from your file. Then try the audio feature and let it turn your notes into a quick listening session. Within a few minutes you will see why people who find this tool rarely go back to their old way of working. Here is the bottom line. Most AI tools try to know everything about the whole world, which is exactly why they sometimes get things wrong. This one flips that idea. It becomes an expert on only your material, and it proves every answer by pointing back to your own files. That makes it less of a know-it-all and more of a trusted study partner who actually did the reading. So the next time you face a document so long it makes your eyes glaze over, do not power through it alone. Hand it to a tool that can read it in seconds, answer your questions, and even turn it into a podcast for the walk home. Like, subscribe, and pass this to a student or coworker who needs it. What tool should get reviewed next?